Hi everyone. First of all, thank you for watching this video. So we are going to start a new batch for business analyst course, completely real time. So interested candidates, please contact to the mentioned contact number. So we will revert back with your queries. And with that being said, let's start our video. So today our topic is to discuss about the salaries of a business analyst. So before I start explaining about the salaries, I would like to say that business analyst salary will be equivalent to the developers. So in the IT industry, uh, there is a like myth called developers will be earned more than other designation and other designations like testing team, DevOps, and the all. Like many people used to say, right, the developers will be the developers will get paid huge compared to other designation in the IT industry. But business analyst also will be paid equivalent to the developer. So let's start discussing with the fresher point of view. So fresher who is holding an experience relevant to business analyst 0 to 2 years, 4 to 6 LPA, one can easily secure, and especially for Bangalore, since it is well known for huge rents and expenditure, so the pay will be slightly higher than Hyderabad, Chennai, Noida, and Pune. And for mid-level, 3 to 5 years, the business analyst will be the business analyst can able to secure 9 to 15 LPA easily. And even if it is in Bangalore location, easily 17 LPA can be secure. And experienced candidates like who are holding 6 to 10 years in between, they can easily get paid from the company's 16 to 27 LPA on an average. And for Bangalore, we can expect up to 30 LPA. And for senior, those who are holding 10 plus years, they can easily get 30 plus LPA. Okay, so these are the budget range of a business analyst in India. So yeah, and the next topic I would like to discuss on the layoff from the business analyst standpoint. So nowadays, that one thing that was disturbing to all the IT employees, that whether their job will be safe and secure or not. But business analyst job is the one among the job that will be highly secure and safe, because usually in the project we will have multiple developing team, multiple testing team, multiple team from the uh, DevOps team. But for business analyst, only in a project, 1 or 2 people will be there, not more than that. One is junior and senior, not more than that. So imagine that if the company removes those 2 people or 1 people business analyst from that project, who will handle that role? Who will uh, like manage that roles? No one, right? So that's the reason business analyst will not be laid off. Okay, and business analyst will not be laid off, and because there are various reasons. Not because of only the business analyst will be limited in a project, but there is so much dependency from the business analyst for the project, especially when it comes to interacting with the stakeholders and your clients, and you're bridging the gap between the cross-functionality team. So all this will be possible only from business analyst side. No one can able to fulfill this gap. So that's the reason business analyst will not be laid off compared to other designation like developer, testing team, and that also on. And talking about our next topic, uh, will AI replace business analyst or not? So again, here also, I would say that business analyst job is one among the job where AI will not be replaceable. I will also tell the reason, because business analyst, the name itself, it suggests that we need to analyze things from the project point of view, from the business point of view. We need to assist our stakeholders and clients in bringing the best ideas so that our business will grow. So these kind of ideas, analyzing things, Okay, finding the root cause, overcoming the solution, bridging the gap between various people, gathering the requirement from the stakeholder. So all this will require human interaction with the stakeholders and clients. AI will not AI can do the things or task of business analyst, but not fully. 50% task will be done by definitely business, AI of business analyst, but not but other 50% will not be, AI will not replace. AI will not be able to manage things. Like as I said that BA will be more of, he or she will be the front face for the company. He or business analyst will be representing the company. So definitely there will be a lot of importance for the business analyst, and uh, there will not be anything like any kind of consequences to terminate or remove business analyst because of AI. It will definitely will not possible. Even you can even do the research in the social media, YouTube platforms as well. Many people were suggested that BA job is one among the job that AI will not be replaceable. Okay, so yeah, so basically, business analyst usually does more of interacting with the clients and end users or customers, stakeholders. So AI will not be doing all these tasks by meeting the expectation of our clients, customers. Business analyst is someone who can analyze things and propose the better insights, and the clients will not be able to understand human sentiments or emotions, because AI will not be having any kind of emotions. So if they depend on AI, so AI will not be giving the inputs from the point of view of the customers or point of view of the business. The AI will just give the completely static information. But business analyst will be analyzing the many components from the point of view of the customer, from the point of view of the business, from the point of view of the project. So all these emotions and sentiments, considering that the BA will be able to handle things very well. So my final verdict on this, will AI replace the business analyst job in the future or not? Definitely not. It is not possible for AI to automate things all. Thank you. And we are starting off new batch very soon. Please do enroll. So if you are having any queries, please contact to this contact number. Thank you. I look forward to see you in the next video. Please do subscribe and share my YouTube channel. And also please do suggest by dropping a which topic that I want to cover in upcoming videos. Please drop a comment. Thank you.